Ah! 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 Oh, okay, no, never mind. Okay, so we got this nice little.
It's a Hulk hand. I
Okay.
don't know.
So what are we gonna make with it?
Some hand.
A hand, I guess.
some-
What with the hand?
What will be in this hand? We'll see in a moment.
It looks like the hand from Wednesday. You know, like the.
Oh, that's true. I think this was a reference.
Yeah, this is
No?
it. Oh,
No?
no.
Whoa!
It's gross.
It wasn't Gibson,
It's
right?
the actual hand. Yeah.
Wow, it's some resin, some
Yeah, resin. Blah,
resin,
it looks
yeah.
gross. I don't like it.
Oh.
Ew. Oh no, they're gonna make it all detailed and stuff. It's.
Wow.
No, it's not
Whoa.
okay.
That's not okay, but you were right about Wednesday. I mean,
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. Okay. I kind of like the texture of it. Looks like it would be interesting to put in your mouth. I kind of want to put it in my mouth.
It's like this gilet.
Yeah, it could be like a vanilla jelly.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the what's that drink that's like just with vanilla basically? No, not a Cuba Libre, but you know what I'm talking
Is
about,
it
the
the
coconut
alcohol?
one. The coconut drink kind of looks like it would taste like that.
Whoa! What?
Ew.
Excuse.
Excuse me. Get your
But-
hands off me, sir.
To be honest, they did a good job.
It looks pretty cool, yeah. It looks even creepier than the actual like TV show one.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Wow. Oh, actually, I saw once the video when they create such a hand, you know,
Yeah.
in internet, and they start. I mean, it was some before they start show the series, and they create the actual hand, which is really movable.
Yeah.
It's like on the remote.
Oh,
Control.
wow, so it's a little
that
robot
was
thing.
Awesome, actually, how they did it.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Okay, so we're doing some makeup hacks now, okay? Getting our cheekbones on fleek. Get some kohl
okay, they still use
eyeliner.
eyeliner.
Okay.
Okay.
She's looking okay. Is she gonna transform into Wednesday? Is this a Wednesday transformation?
Do you think so?
It could be. Tights. Okay, tight.
Got it well.
Okay, what are we gonna?
Wig! Yeah.
There you go. She is
Big
now
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Jeez, remember when everything was Wednesday, right when they came out, and the whole internet was just like, you know? Yeah.
So
Guys,
did you like it?
were you one of the people that did that? Shame on you. I did
What?
it too.
Yeah, not shame. I mean,
No,
that's
yeah.
fine. What about series? Did you like it?
I love the series.
Yeah,
the series was
that's-
amazing.
that's
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah,
When
I
the
love
first time I watched it, I wasn't
Yeah.
really paying attention, and I only caught a few moments, and I didn't like it actually. But then I fully went from the beginning, and I gave it, the second chance. It was amazing.
Did you watch the original series?
I did
Adam?
watch. I only watched the movies and like a couple of the old ones. But I used to watch the Munsters, which is like the knockoff version of the Addams Family with the Frankenstein dude. That was good.
Oh, this is the cartoon, right?
No, I think there might have been a cartoon as well, but this was just
Monsters.
Munsters.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of like the Addams Family, but like just a copy of it, I think.
Okay.
Okay, plexiglass. Ooh.
Wow.
I mean,
Make the chest.
making a chest plate. Okay. Is this how they make mannequins?
I'm not sure. I'm confused.
Ooh, what's happening?
Wow, so many action
Yeah,
which
it's
is
too
not
much.
connected.
My brain is
to
just
each
like,
other.
ah!
Wow.
Okay.
What they just gonna do? Cut. Oh, that was
that
painful.
was cringy to
Yeah,
look at. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. Bolts. Heat it up. What are we gonna do with the bolts in the teeth? We're gonna bend the bolt, break the bolt, love the bolt, take the bolt on a nice seafood dinner, and then never call it again.
Don't do it.
Don't do that.
Call it.
Call it again. Yeah,
And
it's
I
worth
at least
it.
explain.
You guys could go places together. All right, construction foam.
Oh,
Why? Oh, it's
What?
it's a biggy snakey. You know, it's a huge snake.
wow.
It's a snake cake.
So I hope they will not disappoint me with the final result.
Yes,
so far
same.
so good.
So far, it looks
so good.
pretty good. Yeah.
Come on, jeez.
Jeez, buy me dinner
Yeah.
first. Yeah, jeez. Okay, UV resin around the top of your light bulb. Why?
Yeah, but don't Try it.
What?
So perfect.
I don't think so.
No way.
I highly doubt.
No way. But
We're making the eye.
An eye.
Eye of the tiger. Yeah. That's all I can sing of that.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
It looks like Jar Jar Binks a little bit from Star Wars. Misada bada binga. No, wait, that's yeah. Okay, so we have some nice scales with spoons. Nice.
Okay, it's an interesting decision.
It is an interesting decision. I kind of like it.
What is this bridge for?
Ooh.
I mean, it looks like
Sausages, hot dogs.
Come on.
I don't know why.
It's uneatable with eatable thing. How it's gonna? It's
They actually taste better when you do that. Just kidding. Don't do that. So it's the tongue.
But
it's gonna go bad anyway.
Well, yeah, it will be bad, right?
All right, it looks okay. It's a thing.
Honestly, I disappointed.
You disappointed?
Yeah.
I am also a little, slightly disappointed. But
yeah,
I like the scale idea. I feel like we could work with the scale idea. But it does look like a Jar Jar Binks.
It looks like a Jar Jar Binks more than than Snake, right?
Which is terrifying. So it works.
Okay,
we got what's that guy's name again? Paul Walker, yeah. From the Fast and Furious. What are we gonna do with Paul Walker today? Sir, we're gonna give you a really nice facial treatment here, okay? Now we have his outline, okay, and we're breaking it up.
Oh, that technique.
Is this disrespectful?
What?
I don't think so. I hope not. All right.
It's in art, I guess.
Yeah.
What's an? I don't know.
Smash. What are we doing now?
Well, that's actually.
It looks like a lot of skill, yeah.
Yeah, that you need to be talented because it's unexpected always, right? How it could grow.
Yeah.
But
it's tough for us to react to things that take talent because we're just like, jealous.
That's true.
Do you guys have any talents? Let us know.
Yeah.
Or if you don't, we feel you.
You definitely.
You're welcome here. Okay, so what are we doing with our Paul Walker now? Plexiglass.
Make a frame.
Yeah.
Oh, they still don't show us a result. How clever to keep our.
They were keeping our suspension going.
Okay. Wow.
I'm so suspenseful.
Okay, we're just scroll.
Yeah. Okay. Now what? Show me more. I'm not getting enough. Spray paint. What are we doing? Is it just a black frame? Are you really doing this whole process just for a black frame? I'm going to be so disappointed in them.
Okay.
I need my serotonin going up at all times. This isn't enough. Drill.
Well, drill.
Screw.
I think it's some unusual for. No, it's usual.
It's the usual.
I thought it will be like a half of the frame, and another will be empty. And you put your glass inside in that corner. That would be sick.
That would be sick, but woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Unfortunately.
Fair enough.
All right, so we got some LEDs on the inside. At least that's
Which
cool.
is solve the problem, right?
Nice touch. Now we're gonna see the Walker in all his majesty.
The Walker.
Down.
I love this guy.
Yeah, he's a cool guy.
Yeah. Cool.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
All right, let's see. Paul Walker, did you do him justice? Let's go. Pull it off.
Wow.
I don't know.
Done this part.
Anyway, the next thing is wrapping up in sellotape, and we're gonna cut it out. We're making an outline of our tushy. Snip. All right, construction foam. We're outlining the thigh area. Why? Why the thigh?
For some cosplaying or something.
Yeah.
Or it's for butt improving.
Butt improvements. Yeah. Yes, I need some butt improvements. My mom says she always asks me if I lost a game of poker last night because she's like, "You look like you lost your ass." Not funny, Mom. Oh.
That's what I said.
Oh.
Okay, now you know more.
Yeah, now you know all you need to know.
Yeah.
Jeez, don't use a glue gun on something that you're wearing already. All right.
Yeah, it could be
A little dangerous.
dangerous. Okay, but
She's gonna be Jessica Rabbit, I think, is the name. Did you ever watch that?
I'm not. I'm not sure what you're talking about.
It's from a movie with it's like where cartoons break into the real world.
Ah,
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's true. That's actually out of there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, nice cosplay. If
Okay.
it's cosplay,
I think it's,
if she's not
or she
serious,
thinks she's actually Jessica Rabbit, or she is Jessica.
or maybe she just.
It's a beautiful voice. All right, give us more
More reactions,
right now,
please.
please.